Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn with me. So today I am going to show you about some big airdrops guys, which can give profit from $2,000 to $5,000. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. So you may think he is telling that you may get 2,000 to $5,000. So are you mad? So I would be showing you. I will I will show you the proof after 1 month. Okay. So firstly, if you have participated in this airdrop, so you would be getting an airdrop of 500 to $2,000 until now. Okay. So many has got airdrop. So I got 178 loop. I got this much. I got so some got some amount of tokens guys. So how to get another airdrop in this market? Okay, so in this loop finance, so I would be showing you how guys. Okay, so firstly, so let us go into their website only. So this is the official announcement guys. So loop genesis airdrops, snapshots airdrops, loop monthly airdrops, looper holders only. Okay, you need to buy loop or looper. Okay, just hold looper in your loop account or Terra Station wallet. Same like before, no announcement on snapshot dates. Okay, no announcement on snapshot dates. So let's go to announcement channel. So let's see. If you haven't claimed the airdrop, please claim guys. So this is the official announcement from Loop. Okay. So after this, I would be showing you another one guys. So do not miss even, do not skip even a second guys. If you skip, you will surely lose. Okay, so firstly click on I agree, click on claim. If your wallet is eligible, you would be getting airdrop. So just go to swap. So you need to hold looper guys. Okay, looper. So just click loop, click on maximum. Okay, click on looper. So as you can see, we have, okay, 286. Click on swap. Click on sign. Just approve the transaction. So the transaction would be going on for 2 to 5 seconds, not more than 10 to 15 seconds guys. So just wait patiently in this page. So the transaction has been successful guys. So as you can see, we need to add looper guys. If you don't add also, it's not a problem because you are already holding it. Okay, so as you are already holding this, okay, so it's fine. If you are holding looper, you would be getting airdrop. So you can see here, so they would be taking screenshots. They don't announce the dates or something like that. You just need to hold looper, that's it. So after this, there is a hidden airdrop guys, which no one can know. Okay, so just go to this, click on pool guys. Okay, click on pool. You need to stake loop and UST, same like Posy airdrop guys. Okay, so just click on farm. Here you would be knowing the biggest secret guys. Okay, from the 7th until the 21st October. Okay, so today is 10th October guys. So from 7th to 21st October, anyone who adds liquidity to the loop dex share will get 1 million loop tokens based on the amount and duration of liquidity provided. Our full farming contracts will go live after the initial period has ended. So you just need to stake some amount of loop guys. So if you are having 10 USD, you can stake 5 USD and 6 loop tokens, so that you would get qualified for the airdrop. You would be getting the share from 1 million loop tokens. Okay, so this is not viral guys, no one knows this until now, so you may get to know from tomorrow, because this video will be viral for sure. Okay, so after this I am going to tell you about 5 to 6 airdrops, guys. Please do not skip, it is very very important. So Algorand governance airdrops, guys. So firstly you need to have Algorand airdrop. So after that you need to, this is not 100%, if you want to try you can try. Okay, so just click on governance link. This is an official Algorand governance link, guys. So firstly you need to commit some amount of Algorand. Minimum you need to have 0.2 algo, guys. Okay, so you must be prepared to lose the amount. Okay, so I have given 0.99, so that means I have given one algo, guys. It is around 1.7 dollars, I think so. So I am ready to lose. So as you can see, the status is eligible. So if it shows like that, you are eligible. So let us disconnect it and let's check with another wallet. So just connect it like this. Yes, use. So this is the wallet we have connected before only. I'm sorry. It does not take more time, guys. So my wallet is having some issues. It's okay. So I think this wallet is connected. So you can see like this, you need to click on get started. After this you need to select your wallet and commit as much you can lose. Okay, don't commit more than 0.3, guys, because if you lose you may feel bad. Okay, after this the next loot we are going to see is Solarium app, guys. So I would be giving my link in description so that you would be downloading and you can get 250 XSB tokens. Okay, so you need to deposit 0.0022 Sol for adding this Solarium. Okay, so after that the next is Duck Waves, guys. So this is officially from the duck community. Okay, to celebrate our 6th month anniversary, we will run a huge giveaway of budget $1 lakh. Okay, we will have 1153 winners, guys. So first thing is 0.01 egg for 1000 participants, that is 16 USD. So the second thing is 0.1, so it is for 100 participants, it is 160 USD. So 50 perch with an average cost of 1600 per one perch for NFT ducks farming for 50 participants. So here comes the most exciting part, guys. 3 Genesis NFT ducks with an average cost of 5000 USD per one duck to 3 participants. So who knows which luck is for us. Okay, so if you want to participate in this, I have already participated, so you need to participate in this, guys. So do not miss this opportunity. So I have my second account also ready, so I need to participate from this. Never miss an option like this, guys. As you can see, 0.1 16, 0.1 equal to 160 USD. So do not miss this, guys. Okay, so after this it is AI Games. Okay, so AI Games gave at least profit of $30, guys. So how to participate? This is an sweep widget task, guys. So it would be selecting randomly. So $6,000 rewards are waiting for us. You need to click your name, email ID, BSC wallet, and you can optional. It is optional. AVAX wallet address is optional. After this you can jump to top and complete all the steps. After completing all the steps you would be given a form, Google form. So in that, if it is star marked, if any required field is there, please fill it compulsory. So if any field is not necessary, do not fill it. Okay, you can uh, participate on your own in that form. There is no need of anyone's help. So if you like this video, please give it a like, thumbs up guys, because I have researched for more than 3 to 4 hours, so these are legit or not. So everything, it needs so much dedication. Please give a like so that I can make more videos like this and get back to you. So thank you for watching my channel guys. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.